Product name, Hero Privacy Pen 1-Pack Hidden Camera Detector. The prepared Hero Detector portable bathroom is a device that claims to detect hidden cameras, microphones, and GPS trackers in bathrooms, hotels, Airbnb rentals, and other places. The device is portable and easy to use, making it a convenient tool for people who are concerned about their privacy. Here are some pros and cons of the product. Pros: the device is portable and easy to use. It can detect hidden cameras, microphones, and GPS trackers. It can be used in bathrooms, hotels, Airbnb rentals, and other places. It comes with a user manual and a carrying case. Cons: the device may not be 100% accurate in detecting hidden cameras, microphones, and GPS trackers. The device may not work well in noisy environments. The device may not work well in areas with poor signal reception. In conclusion, the prepared Hero Detector portable bathroom is a useful tool for people who are concerned about their privacy. It is portable, easy to use, and can detect hidden cameras, microphones, and GPS trackers. However, it may not be 100% accurate and may not work well in noisy environments or areas with poor signal reception. The product is available on Amazon from $59.99. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.